In front of me is Motorola Edge 70, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Start by opening an app called Files that's already on your device. Then, if you never used it before, hit Allow in the pop-up. And finally, choose Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are here. Now, to access one, click on it on the left. And my favorite part, most people miss, that you should click on those three dots on the right. And this way get access to all of those options to manage any downloaded file. Like, for example, rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!